Hey guys, I'm Aaron. I'm back in the garage today, gonna do some work on my Porsche Boxster 986. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the seats. You might wanna do this if you're obviously replacing seats or doing something underneath or need more room to get into your car. The reason I'm doing it is because I have seats in the car from a 2006 Porsche Cayman S, and they have a heated seat element in them, but my car did not come with the heated seat option. So in another video in the future, I will be doing that, but in preparation, I'm taking them out, so I figured I'd make a video on how to remove them. So the first important piece of information that you need to know is to open up your frunk, AKA the front trunk. Pop off the little plastic battery cover and use a 10mm socket to loosen up the negative terminal on your battery and pull it off. Tuck that down under there. The reason for that is because there is a cable under the seat that we're going to disconnect, and if you have your battery plugged in, you will get a airbag warning light on your dash once this is all done. The only way to prevent that is to disconnect the battery first before disconnecting the cable that is under here. Now, the removal of the seat is actually very simple. There are only 4 bolts to undo and that cable underneath. Some people say that you have to have the battery disconnected for 15 to up to 30 minutes just to make sure all the charge is out, but I don't know, I just wait 10 minutes. And then you're gonna need an E12 because there are 2 bolts here in the back and 2 in the front that are in the same size. So this is right behind the seat, clearly marked with a little red dot on it. You're gonna want an extension just so you can reach down here, or else your ratchet or whatever you're using is gonna hit the side of the car. And we're just gonna take these out and see what they look like. So just get the other one that's over on this side. All right, now if you push the seat all the way back, you will find this down here. So like I said, I have different seats. So this is the one for my stock seat. It does not fit on this new seat, but it's almost the same. So you can see that there is a little metal thing here that this would catch and clip onto. So you can just either use your fingernail or a small screwdriver, and you just lift up on this tab and it'll disconnect, and then you can slide that off and it will reveal the bolts down here. Now this one, I don't know if you can see, but it is kind of angled out to make it a little easier to reach. And there's another one on that side, so remove those 2 bolts next. So all 4 of these are the same. So once they're disconnected, you will be able to raise this up. It is no longer attached. And some people put a block or something under there to help keep it lifted up so you can get better access. But as you can see, the connector we need is right here, and I can actually reach it. All right, sorry guys, I was not expecting this. The part that comes with my car and the part that connects to the seat has been modified already by my mechanic, I guess, when he installed these seats. So I'm thinking that this is the power functions here that he has rigged up here to my connector. So all the information that I had seen online showed that there was like a little tab right here that you just pulled out that way, and then the 2 pieces separated. So this is obviously much different. So I know that this piece I can just pull out and disconnect. And I guess I'm gonna just pull out these 2 little spade connectors here and remember how it went to put it back together. Another suggestion before you start is you might want to put the top of the car down. It'll make getting these seats out a lot easier. I didn't do that in time. My battery is disconnected now, so I'm just going to try to get the seat out. All right, that wasn't bad at all. So now is a great time to do some serious vacuuming and cleaning, and now you can see that control module that if you do not clean your drains, will commonly get wet because this area will fill up with water. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. Here's a link to that. But yeah, that's how easy it is to get the seats out. All right, here you go, guys, because I know that was really stressing some of you out. It is all clean now. Oh, and plug for this underhood light, man. You can use this for so many things. It is fantastic. So as a sneak peek, this is what the bottom of this seat looks like. So I will be spending the next few days studying this, trying to figure out what parts I need to order to make the heated seat element work. So wish me luck. So when you're retightening all of those bolts, remember that it is 48 foot-pounds for the torque spec. And finally, don't forget to reconnect your battery, but make sure, again, only reconnect it after your connection under the seat is connected, or you will get that airbag warning light, and you'll have to either get the tool or take it in to somebody to have them reset it for you. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and there will be more content coming.